So in this video, some practical examples about the shortcuts you can use in the Python editor in Modo. So I have my tab key when the cursor is behind the dot, then you get word completion. That is something I've shown in the previous video. So when I type in LX and press the dot key and now press the tab key and release it, then I get an overview or auto-completion for all the possible functions with the LX module. So I can scroll through it or use the arrow keys on my keyboard, and for instance I want to eval and then press enter and it gets completed. And I'm going to clear that again. Then you have control enter executes as the selected text. So when I select, for instance, this text and press control enter, now you see in the event log hello. When I select this part, press control enter, now see in the event log world. Then alt shift enter executes the current line and you don't have to select anything. Now I have to point out that in the wiki it says Control Shift executes the current line, but I cannot get it to work. When I have to type Alt Shift Enter, so like I've written here, Alt Shift Enter to execute a line. So when I'm on that line, I don't have to have selected anything. Alt Shift Enter, again hello in the event log. So when I will first clear my log, clear everything, and go on that line, Alt Shift Enter. In the event log, now it says world. Then control slash, and on my keyboard it's on the number keypad, toggles the comment. So when it's uncommented, like I'm now with my cursor on line 8, and when I press control slash on the numpad, then it gets commented, that line. When I do that again, control slash on the numpad, it gets uncommented. And then you also can indent selected text or unindent selected text with control and the square brackets, but I cannot get it to work on my keyboard. So I have to find out how to do that. And then as shown in the previous video, appending a question mark to an object and pressing tab displays the docstring of the object. So for instance, when I go on that line, control slash to uncomment it, and when I add a question mark and now press and release the tab key, you see I get evaluate a command string. When I go to LX and now press the question mark and then the tab key, then I get an overview of the FX module entirely. So its classes, its functions, and so on. So for instance, if I uncomment this with control slash on the numpad, question mark, and I'm going to clear this window, press the tab key, and now eval n, evaluate the command string, return a tuple. So this is an easy way to get information about the functions you are using. When I choose this one, I get an overview of the entire module and so on. So the only thing I have to do now is find out how to use the square brackets, because with my keyboard I cannot even enter square brackets, so that's a bit of a problem in this Python editor. I will have to find out how to do that. So I hope you found this useful. Bye for now.